Hey, it's Chris from Chow. Wanted to give you a quick room tour of the place that we're staying in Hobart. The place is called Quarry House Luxury Retreat, and we're staying in one of the suites. You can see here there is a pretty decent sized kitchen. You got a full-size fridge with some goodies. You got some Tim Tams, some wine. You also have breakfast for tomorrow, so you got eggs, we got bacon, bread, milk, as well as some beer. There's a really nice DeLonghi espresso machine over here. Some chocolates from the owners. We've got 3 different kinds of tea from T2. If we go over here, the lounge area, there's a nice leather sofa. And from the living room, you have the bedroom with a really nice bed. You've got plenty of wardrobe space if you need it. And from the bedroom, we have the bathroom. There's a washing machine. There's some nice hand balm from Aesop. You've got toilet over there. You have rainfall shower, and then more Aesop amenities.